are the investment department of assets, and we are a community of active traders who have invested in all kinds of asset classes: the stock market, equity, mutual funds, derivatives, you name it. The investment department ensures that you have an active community to learn and gain experiences from about the financial world and its nuances. We are an entity comprising of various members and council members, where everybody has a different style of trading and investing, and a different mindset of taking positions in the market. Moreover, you can participate in various discussions which take place in the investment group itself and represent assets in various competitions in colleges across the country. In conclusion, we want to build a healthy community of active members who have a place to learn about finance and the importance of gaining financial literacy, helping each other out as we grow together and learn together.
The crypto department deals with everything related to cryptocurrencies, whether it is technicals or fundamentals. The department ensures that you have an active community ready to help and guide you as you learn. Why was this type of currency created? What exactly are blockchains and how do cryptocurrencies work? How do I compare all these different currencies before deciding which project I believe in the most? You will find the answers to all these questions here. As part of this department, you will be representing Assets, the Finance Society of Delhi Technological University, in various competitions across the country. Alone, crypto can look extremely complicated, but as a part of this department, you will get all the resources you need to break in and to be successful in this field. These will be some of the most interesting and brilliant concepts you have ever heard of, so keep learning and growing with other members of the community. We are the data science department of Assets, the Finance Society of Delhi Technological University. Our main work revolves around doing academic projects, studying trading strategies, manipulating and modeling data. Are you excited about studying machine learning and deep learning? How to use reinforcement learning for trading? We'll teach you everything from technical analysis to real-time trading. You will get industrial and professional experience in the field of data science by working on big data analytics, data engineering, and much more.
We are assets quants. We don't simply look at charts and figures, we play with them. The quant department is responsible for all forms of analytical and quantitative analysis of various equities, mutual funds, crypto, and other financial instruments. We teach you all you need to know about quantitative analysis, including what it is and why it is so popular in New York, Wall Street, and Hong Kong's financial industries. What is algorithmic trading and how does it work? How can I work as a quant trader, researcher, or analyst full time? Yes, you are correct. All these topics are discussed here. Quant is exploding in popularity over the globe, but many people are unaware of it. They felt it would be impossible, but we at Assets would make it happen. They thought it was extremely difficult, but we will show you the way, give you the direction, and much more, so that you may all be successful in this profession. We will learn, grow, and play with numbers together.